made it! An hour and a half drive to Napa Valley to Leslie. Anyways, we just got our sandwich, so we're waiting to get our order. We got the beef brisket. Comes with a soup and a pickle that we don't like. Okay, how is it? Made it to Napa Valley. Now we're going to downtown. Just finished our sandwich. How is it? You gotta speak louder because like there's no thingy here. Got some chocolate, Earth and Sky chocolate. They have interesting flavors. You ready to try the chocolate, babe? Babe. First we have your banana something something. Banana! Oh, it tastes like banana. How is it?
Not bad. Yeah, this is banana.
Next one is the sea salt caramel.
Wait,
Huh?
what's that eating? It's like sea salt caramel. How is it? Pretty good actually. This place is not bad.
Next one.
You gonna eat all of it?
Nah, it's fine. Wait, hold it, hold it. And then we have, what did I get?
All great.
Earl Grey. Oh, it tastes like Earl Grey.
Yeah, this one. Good enough.
Jasmine tea. Ganache. Jasmine's very light. So which one you like the most?
Yeah,
I'm gonna say
jasmine was the
banana.
least like actual flavor.
Which one you like the most?
That was pretty good. I like the banana one.
Ah, do it. See, do you like banana one? Okay, moving on. Walking, so tired. Time for ice cream. Very excited. How is it? Not bad. Got a cookie. Very soft. Oh, good. Hi. We're planning. We're gonna try and fly the drone. We haven't brought it. I don't think they can hear us. Maybe it's too windy. But yeah, we were brought the drone. We're gonna fly it. It's so pretty here. So windy. We screwed up. We thought we could fly the drone here, but we couldn't. Actually, it's his fault because he didn't grab the map. Now we gotta find another place to fly the drone. All the other points are very far away from here. Maybe tomorrow we'll go to the direct point.